Are you looking for the best baby humidifiers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best baby humidifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. LEVOIT Humidifiers. The LEVOIT LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier is a versatile and efficient appliance designed to enhance indoor air quality in medium to large spaces. With a 6-liter tank, it offers up to 50 hours of continuous operation, making it suitable for areas up to 753 square feet. The humidifier provides both warm and cool mist options, allowing users to customize the humidity level to their preference. It features a built-in humidity sensor that maintains the desired humidity level through auto mode, ensuring optimal comfort. The unit also includes an essential oil diffuser, enabling users to enjoy pleasant aromas while humidifying the air. Its whisper-quiet operation, with noise levels under 28 dB, makes it ideal for bedrooms and nurseries. The humidifier is equipped with a timer and a remote control for added convenience. Additionally, its top-fill design simplifies refilling and cleaning processes. Overall, the LEVOIT LV600HH is a feature-rich humidifier that combines functionality and ease of use to improve indoor air quality. Number 2. Vicks Filter-Free Ultrasonic Humidifier. The Vicks Filter-Free Ultrasonic Humidifier, model VUL545, is a pediatrician-recommended device designed to provide soothing comfort in medium to large bedrooms and children's rooms. With a 1.2-gallon tank, it delivers up to 30 hours of cool mist without the need for replacement filters, making maintenance straightforward and cost-effective. The unit features a wide tank opening for easy filling and cleaning, and its ultrasonic technology ensures quiet operation, ideal for nurseries and sleep environments. Additionally, it includes a 180 degrees adjustable mist nozzle for directed airflow and an automatic shut-off function when the water level is low. Compatible with Vicks VapoPads, the humidifier can enhance the air with soothing menthol vapors, providing added relief from cough and congestion. Its simple controls and effective performance make it a reliable choice for families seeking to improve indoor air quality and comfort. Number 3. Crane Adorables Ultrasonic Humidifiers. The Crane Adorables Ultrasonic Humidifier, Monkey, model EE8190, is a functional and charming addition to any child's room or nursery. With a 1-gallon capacity, it effectively humidifies spaces up to 500 square feet, providing up to 24 hours of cool mist to relieve dryness and congestion. The unit operates quietly, making it ideal for babies and light sleepers. Its filter-free design simplifies maintenance, though an optional demineralization filter is available for areas with hard water. The humidifier features variable speed settings and a 360 degrees adjustable mist lid for customized humidity and mist direction. Safety is ensured with an automatic shut-off when the tank is empty, while the playful monkey design adds a fun and decorative touch, making it both practical and delightful for families. Number 4. Aennon Cool Mist Humidifier. The Aennon Cool Mist Humidifier, 2.8L, is a versatile and user-friendly appliance designed to enhance indoor air quality in bedrooms, nurseries, and offices. Its ultrasonic technology ensures whisper-quiet operation, making it ideal for sleep environments. The 2.8-liter tank provides over 20 hours of continuous mist, reducing the need for frequent refills. The humidifier features a 7-color LED nightlight that can be set to cycle through all colors or fixed to a preferred hue, creating a calming atmosphere. Additionally, it includes an auto shut-off function for safety when the water level is low. The unit also serves as an aroma diffuser, allowing users to add essential oils for a soothing scent. Its sleek design and functionality make it a practical choice for improving air quality and ambience in various settings. Number 5. Cool Mist Humidifiers. The Peach Street Cool Mist Humidifier is a versatile and user-friendly device designed to enhance indoor air quality in bedrooms, nurseries, and offices. With a 2.2-liter capacity, it provides continuous mist for up to 24 hours, effectively combating dryness and improving breathing comfort. The ultrasonic operation ensures whisper-quiet performance, making it ideal for sleep environments. Its adjustable mist level and 360 degrees rotating nozzle allow for customized humidity control and precise mist direction. Safety is prioritized with an auto shut-off feature that activates when the water tank is empty. Their wide-mouth tank design facilitates easy filling and cleaning, while their compact size ensures it fits comfortably in various room settings. This humidifier is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient solution to improve indoor air quality.